going to teach you chapter number 6 here. Chapter number 6, Introduction to Algebra. Okay. Today my topic is statements of expressions. If we are given numerical expressions and how to write those expressions in statement form, and about pattern. Okay. Chapter number 6, Introduction to Algebra. I have taken exercise 6.1. Today, question number 5 and 6. Question number 5 and 6. Okay. If you are given algebraic expression here 5 upon 3. Okay, 5 upon 3 8. Now, in language form, in statement form, how will you write it? How will you write? You write 5 times A is divided by 3. 5 times, but how will you write? 5 times A is 5 is multiplied with A, so 5 times A is divided by 3. Is divided by 3. You can write 3 here or spelling you can avoid here. You can write 5. 5 times A is divided by 3. In this way you will write the expression in statement form. Now, in 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4. How will we write this in statement form here? 2 times x plus 4. 2 times x plus 4. How will we write it? 2 times, if 2x is there, means 2 times x. 2 is multiplied with x. 2 times x plus 4. Plus 4. We will write in statement form like this here. 2 times x plus 4. Then 5 into 5 is multiplied with y minus 2. 5 is multiplied with y minus 2. How will we write this in statement form? 2 subtracted from y is multiplied by 5. 2 subtracted from y, 2 subtracted from y and multiplied with 5. Multiplied with 5 and multiplied with 5. Okay. 2 subtracted from y is multiplied with 5. Okay. Now, let's come on here. If you are given in the statement form, then you will have to write in expressions. You will try to understand the statement form and write that statement form in expression form. Okay. Now let's take question number 6, pattern. If you are given pattern like this, define the rule that give number of sticks. These patterns are made with the help of sticks. Okay. This is first pattern and second pattern and third pattern. Here there were 2 rectangles, then 3 rectangles were made with the help of sticks. After 3, 4 rectangles. Okay. After 3, there are 4 rectangles. How many rectangles here now? In the next pattern, 4 rectangles. Okay. In the first pattern, how many sticks are used here? 56. How many sticks are used here to make this pattern? Here 1, 2, 3. I have taken 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6 and 7. So in the table we are given to make figure 1, number of sticks used are 7. Number of sticks are used 7. For making second pattern, how many sticks are used? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. For making second pattern with sticks, number of sticks are used here 10. Number of sticks are used 10. Okay. So let's decide what's the pattern for making this. For making this first figure with the sticks, number of sticks were used how many? 7. So and for making this second figure, number of sticks used were 10. Means 3 were doing after making first pattern, number of sticks were used 7. Then for making this second pattern, number of sticks used were 10. Then for making this third figure, how many sticks are used here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now when you look at this pattern, first pattern was made with 7 sticks, second was made with 10 sticks and third was made with 13 sticks. 3 are being increasing. 3 are being increasing. 3 sticks are increasing. Okay. 3 sticks बढ़ रही हैं for making each pattern. Okay. Then 3 increase हो रहा है. क्या हो रहा है वो? 3 increase हो रहा है. Okay. तो हम क्या करेंगे? +3 हो रहा है. पैटर्न क्या बनेगा हमारे पास? पैटर्न क्या बनेगा हमारे पास? पैटर्न बनेगा हमारे पास 3 प्लस हो रहे हैं. हर पैटर्न क्या बनेगा? +3 तो हो ही रहे हैं. पैटर्न क्या बनेगा? और टाइम 3 आर बीइंग इंक्रीज. तो पैटर्न हमारे पास क्या बना? 3, 7, 3 बढ़ रहे हैं हमारे पास. ओके. तो पैटर्न क्या बनेगा? 3n + 4. 3n + 4. क्या पैटर्न बनेगा हमारे पास? 3n + 4. For making first figure, we put value of n equal to 1. Value of variable n when I will put 1. First figure बनाना है मुझे. तो n की वैल्यू अगर मैं 1 पुट करती हूँ तो 3 1 जा 3 + 4. तो 3 + 4 क्या बना? 7 बना. तो ये पैटर्न बना हमारा 3n. अब मुझे सेकंड फिगर बनानी है. तो n I will place value of n is equal to 2. Value of n is equal to 2. If same pattern is being used here for making second figure, I will put value of for second figure. ठीक है? For second figure, pattern is same 3n + 4. Now put value of n equal to 2. This will become 6 + 4 10. तो सेकंड जो फिगर बनी है वो कितने स्टिक से बनी है? 10. It is made up of 10 sticks. Second figure. Now say when I put value of n when n equal to 2. ठीक है? When n equal to 1. Now similarly, if I want to make third this third page, okay, this third pattern here. Now for third pattern I will put value of n is equal to 3. n की वैल्यू मैं क्या पुट करूंगी यहाँ पे? 3 for second figure. थर्ड फिगर के लिए सेम पैटर्न विल बी देयर. तो थर्ड फिगर बनानी है तो I put value of n n equal to 3. 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4 30. When n is equal to 3. जब मुझे थर्ड फिगर बनाना है तो कितनी स्टिक्स चाहिए? 30. How many sticks do I need? 30. Okay. I need 13 sticks. Now for making next other pattern, for making fourth figure, here you were given the figures and you were counting the number of sticks. So I have framed here pattern algebraic expression. Here I have framed is the rule that pattern 3n plus 4. Okay. If you are making first figure, put value of n is equal to 1. If you are making figure 2, put value of n here in 3n plus 4, value of n is equal to 2. If you are making third figure, put value of n is equal to 3. Now fourth figure, because we have to complete the table also. For making fourth figure, same pattern will be used. In place of n I will write 4. फोर्थ पैटर्न बनाना मुझे तो n की वैल्यू क्या होगी? फोर्थ फिगर बनानी है तो n की वैल्यू क्या होगी? 4 plus 4. So this 3 4 are 10 plus 4. How many sticks will we use? 16. Fourth जो next जो फिगर आएगी that will be made up of 16 sticks. You can do it practically. With the help of matchsticks at home. Then for making fourth figure, then after 4 8 फिगर में 8 नंबर पे जो फिगर आएगी तो उसमें कितनी यूज होगी स्टिक्स? How many sticks will be used here? Then what will you do here? You will write n is equal to 8. n is equal to 8 for making 8 figure, 8 number, 8 sequence पे कौन सी कितनी स्टिक्स यूज होंगी? तो 8 3 जा 24 plus 4 28 sticks. 8 for making 8 figure you will need how many? 28 when n is equal to 8. Then same pattern 3n plus 4 will be used here to get the number of sticks when 11th figure will be made with the help of sticks. Then how many sticks do you need? Then same pattern will be used here. 3n plus 4 is equal to, in place of n I will write 11 plus 4. Okay. Then 3 into 11 plus 33 plus 4. How many? 37. When n is equal to 11. When n is equal to 11, we will put the value of, give the value to the variable n and we will get the number of sticks we need for the required figures. Here for 11 it was 37. How many sticks were used in here? For 11 figure, 11 sequence पे जो figure आएगी that will be made up of 37 sticks. First, this pattern is made just to simplify our problem here. And जितनी हमें next figure चाहिए, अगर हमें 9 नंबर पे चाहिए, हमें 9 नंबर पे जो फिगर बनेगी वो कितने स्टिक से बनेगी? तो हम n की वैल्यू क्या कर देंगे? 9 डाल देंगे. ओके, we will put value of n is equal to 9. 3 9 जा 27 plus 4 31 sticks. We will need 31 sticks. In this way, patterns are framed to get the number of sticks or number of objects for making that particular figure. Okay, you will complete question number here of the exercise 6.1. We will complete question number 4, 5 I have done, 6A part I have done, and try for B part. Okay, try for B part. Another figures are given to you, pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3, and you will find is the rule for pattern. ठीक है, this is the rule which I have framed 3n plus 4. तो सेकंड के लिए रूल क्या बनेगा? बी पार्ट के लिए 5 इसमें 6 यूज हुई है, ये स्क्वायर then triangle. This is done by you. Okay, right, I can write here. Figure is like this. Here you are given this figure and rule for this pattern 1. How many sticks are used here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. How many sticks are used for making first figure? 8. So pattern will be 5n plus 3. For making first figure, put value of n equal to 1. 5 into 1 5 plus 3, it will become 8. So rule for this B part will be 5n plus 3. In this way you will complete the table. Rule for this is 5n plus 3 because for making this one pattern here we need how many sticks here? 8. So 5 into 1 5 plus 3 8. So rule is made like this 5n plus 3, and for my A part the rule was 3n plus 4, and with the help of that rule we will find the number of sticks in the different patterns. Thank you. Complete exercise 6.1. Thank you. We complete exercise 6.1. Thank you.